Lots of activity downtown Toledo, just part of the 4th of July celebrations and festivities that are continuing on. And of course, we urge you to celebrate safely and enjoy this evening. We're up to 90 degrees though. The heat and humidity, it has been sweltering. Southwest winds 6 miles per hour, but I suppose this time of the year, you learn to expect it and you deal with it, right? That fireworks forecast tonight is going to put us right around 80 degrees around 10 p.m. 4th of July fireworks, warm and humid. That chance of rain is going to be less than 10%, so I do expect most areas are going to stay dry. At 9 o'clock, lower 80s, 80 degrees at 10 o'clock, then dip it back at the mid to upper 70s as we go through 11 p.m. And I do expect the heat and humidity will return again tomorrow. Right at 90 in Findlay, 85 toward Tiffin. A little bit cooler for our lakeshore areas. Marblehead at 79, lake water temperature at 77. So if you're headed toward the fireworks displays that are out there towards Sandusky or Port Clinton tonight, you are a little bit cooler, back closer to 80 degrees. Now, one area I'm watching, the chance we get an isolated shower that develops, a little indication of a lake breeze that's showing up on radar. Could pop just an isolated, very brief shower. Outside of that, I don't expect we're going to see much of any chance of rain tonight. We'll fire that chance of rain up, though, especially as we go through late Wednesday into Thursday. That chance is going to be on the increase. There's that hint we could get 1 or 2 sprinkles with that lake breeze. Outside of that, we expect we're going to be dry through 10 o'clock tonight, so dry at dusk tonight. Very warm and humid, close to 80 degrees for many of our area fireworks displays. And I expect overnight we'll barely dip back into the upper 60s with mostly clear skies. Lots of sun to start the day tomorrow. It is still going to be hot and humid for your Wednesday. High is going to be right around the lower 90s as we go into Wednesday afternoon. And there will be a chance, especially late afternoon, early evening, after 5 p.m., we'll carry the better chance we get 1 or 2 isolated storms through Wednesday. So hot and humid conditions Wednesday, isolated shower or thunderstorm threat after 5 p.m. Light southerly winds up to 10 miles per hour. Into Thursday, that's our better chance of scattered showers and storms. Now that comes with a cold front that's going to move into the area. It is going to be sticky and steamy Thursday, and that mugginess is going to lead to the chance of scattered showers and storms that will become likely Thursday afternoon and evening. And then behind that cold front, we drop back to the lower 80s, much less humid. You're going to feel a big difference on Friday. Lower humidity Friday and into Saturday. We'll even out close to the lower 80s, which is actually a bit below average for this time of year. Low 80s continue through the end of the weekend. Sunday will fire up a chance 1 or 2 isolated storms will return. That chance will continue into Monday of next week, right around the low 80s. Sunday and Monday will squeeze back into the mid 80s Tuesday, Wednesday, and a few more storms out there into Wednesday afternoon, keeping that more regular rainfall inside as we go into the middle of July.
I was just telling Melissa I mowed the lawn this morning. It was starting to grow again because of all the rain.
Yeah, and it's not brown anymore.
But my shirt could have filled a bucket.
It's disgusting.
That's a mental picture on that one, too. Right. Swampy weather for tonight.
The air you wear.
Yeah, and if you're out for those area fireworks displays, even as that sun gets a little lower and begins to set, you're really going to kind of still feel the heat and humidity. It doesn't break, and there's not much of a breeze to mix it up this evening.
The breeze makes a difference.
There's the text now. People saying you
Why
just
are
made
you
me.
telling
Yeah, I
people
can't
that?
eat dinner. Thanks, Jeff.